Welcome back to Pokey's Mechanical. Today I have this Ford BT50 in here, and just going through a bit of a service, and noticed underneath here is a lot of pink. Being a red coolant car, I would suggest that there'd be a leak over here. Now, just to rule out that they hadn't spilt a bunch over there, be like trying to refill it or something, just chuck the pressure tester on, and we found a little something. So what I first noticed, I'm pumping it up, I'm losing pressure pretty quickly, so I'm pretty confident that there's a leak. Now also, I can hear it, and sure enough, in this little hard line here, there's a crack in the neck. Now, although the losing coolant is a factor, yes, we're losing coolant, the main issue here is it's not holding the correct pressure. So these BT50s, they actually require 21 psi of pressure in the cooling system, and that's just atmospheric at the moment. So it's not actually allowing it to build up the pressure, which is letting it get hotter than it should. So this customer will be recommended to replace that coolant bottle so you can have some effective cooling. Choice. Have a good day. Sure.